Hey you guys, in today's video we will be recreating or re-reviewing my most viewed video on my channel, which is the KILL Blackhead Remover Stick. I reviewed this about 3 years ago and it has like 80-something thousand views. So I wanted to see if my opinion was the same, and I'm gonna review it again. So I don't understand why this video got a lot of views, but it did, and I want to review it again because I know much more about skincare than I used to when I did film that video, and I want to see if I have the same opinion about this product as I did back then, or see if it changed at all. See if my skin changed at all. But I have not exfoliated in about 3 days, so I did this for you guys. I exfoliate every day, especially my nose, and I did not exfoliate my nose for three days. So yeah, and I'm sorry if I look tired. Me and my sister just finished my hair. It literally took us 2 days because last night we ran out of hair, so I had to go back over there tomorrow. I added some black in there because my hair is becoming more black than blonde now. Thank God. So yeah, that's why I have a little bit of black in there, so it looks a little bit different. But my name's Micaylah, by the way. If you're new here, subscribe, like this video, share this video, turn the notification bell on. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Thanks for coming. So this is what the product looks like. Well, the packaging. It basically says it removes blackheads. It kind of says instantly, but I felt like this is like an overtime product. But it says blackhead stick to remove blackhead, whitehead, and dead skin cells to make clean and smooth pores. So it says how to use: gently rub it onto your wet nose and rinse with water. So very simple. And this is what the actual product looks like. Let me zoom you guys a little bit closer. You can see that there are some beads in there, and whenever I do start scrubbing my nose, you'll be able to see them more. Remember that part? I don't remember what I think about this. I know I used the original stick that I was reviewing. I used the whole entire thing, so we're about to see what this does. So I've like zoomed you guys in super close. Let me see if I can zoom you guys. Yeah, that's as close as I can get at the moment. So I have you guys zoomed in really close. You should be able to see my pores. Let me see if I can like scoot up. So this is what my nose is looking like at the moment. You can see my pores look very, very huge, honestly. And if I like turn my nose, you see I do have a lot of sebum and everything like that in my nose. You can see on this side, I get a lot of pimples right here, so it's just my luck, you know. That's just it. But that is my nose, and I'll make sure I do a before and after for the end of the video, so stay tuned for that too. Okay, so I know you guys are kind of like further than like the close-up, but I don't feel like leaning forward the whole time, so this is as close as I can get at the moment. Yeah, we're just gonna not do that. You're gonna stay right there. But okay, it says wet your nose. So we're gonna use my Evian water spray. This is like my favorite. This is my second one. The first one was empty. Halloween. But yeah, we're just gonna wet my nose, which I'm not ready for cold to be on my face. Just not ready for it. Oh, where I got this product from? I got it from YesStyle. It was, where's my phone? It is actually 6% off at the moment. It's originally $9.30 US, and it is now $8.74 for this. So you can use my code Micaylah because I am a YesStyle influencer. You can use my code Micaylah for some money off. And yeah, if you like what this does to my nose, use that code MICAYLAH in all caps for some money off. So I almost forgot. So okay, let's just get right into it because yeah, so Evian water spray is like my favorite. It's basically just water and nitrogen in a can. I get it at TJ Maxx. They always have them for like $7.99. Helps with YouTube videos. So uncomfortable. So we're just gonna start scrubbing this on my nose. I know it would work better with like warm water, but it's hot today and I don't feel like messing with hot water. Got it in my mouth. Okay. It's very, very rough. I don't remember how rough it was, but as you can see, there's little beads coming up. I do remember it being like residue on my skin when I would use this, but I didn't remember it feeling like this, but it is pretty rough. I don't know if you guys can hear that. It is really rough. which I don't mind because my skin actually likes that type of roughness in products. Okay, I know I'm gonna try to like rub it for a straight minute just to make sure like I'm giving it enough time to like work things out of my skin. So I'm gonna speed through this part. Okay, so I feel like it's scrubbed enough because I don't want to scrub too much because I feel like I'm gonna like, you know, work my skin off my face. But we're gonna put the cap back on and I'm gonna take one of these makeup wipes. I think I have makeup wipes under here. I do. I know makeup wipes aren't as good for your skin, but I don't feel like getting up because I'm actually really comfortable. So we're just gonna do this all right here and I'm gonna wipe the residue off of my face. I need close up. I need to see what my nose is looking like. Okay, I feel like I can't tell because my nose is still wet from the makeup wipe. Okay, so I'm not impressed. I'm not impressed with this product anymore. My nose still looks textured. I know last time I did only use cold water, so my nose is still textured. You can still see right there I have blackheads and stuff, and I scrubbed that thing. I'm going to prove it by being really uncomfortable with you guys. Like, look, this is how I have to get stuff out of my skin. You can see that I still have like sebum in my skin. I don't know if it's supposed to be like an overtime product or what, but I'm not impressed with it anymore, you guys. Like, it really disappointed me. Like, my nose just still feels rough. Like, it feels a little bit softer, but not like, you know, like it's supposed to. Like, on the website, it says, it literally has an ad that says this. Like, that's what the ad is like. And what's in this product is the extract of charcoal powder, rice, black beans, and black sesame seeds. Scrub the skin to create a smooth texture. This is another ad that they have on there. You'll be like having smooth skin. I don't see that it does that. It says rub on skin for 5 seconds. You will have soft, sleek skin. I do have soft skin, but I don't feel like the texture has gone away at all. Like, I don't feel like this has done anything that this couldn't do. And I like extracting my blackheads and stuff myself, so I feel like I won't use that. I'll just use this. I feel like this is for like people who need an easy way, honestly, but I don't know. I feel like my boyfriend would use that. Like me, like, this isn't the smoothness that I know my nose can be after like one use of something. So after a few days, maybe. But I don't want to scrub my nose that raw for a few days because I know my nose gets really dry easy. And like, from far away, I can still see the texture on my skin. Why did I like this the first time? I don't understand. I got Pepsi, 0 sugar. You guys, all of like the convenience stores are out of 0 sugar everything. Don't know why. Just around here. But yeah, you guys, let me zoom you guys out. I'm clumsy today. But yeah, you guys, I'm not impressed no more. Like, I really thought I was gonna like this again, and I don't, because I used the whole entire thing. But like I said, I wasn't educated in skincare like that back then, so like anything would impress me, and now I'm like so picky about skincare, it's hard to impress me anymore. So this, I feel like it just scrapes my skin. Like, my nose kind of hurts a little bit right here, but I did scrub it. I was scrubbing hard, but not too hard. But that's what I did last time. Like, that's what, it's just a hard stick. So it just, you guys, I don't know. But yes, if you would like to try out this or any other, like, you know, product from YesStyle, you can use my code Micaylah. It works on the whole website, not just skincare. I am an influencer on there, so I do have a link down below as well. Yeah, if you're an influencer, I highly recommend you sign up because they're always giving out commission and vouchers to their influencers to like get stuff off of there. Sneak peek, I do have makeup that I'm going to be doing a look with soon from there, so I'm excited. So yeah, if you want to, I don't know what you guys want to see next. I have a lot of skincare from YesStyle. Like, I have the C Real Collagen Mask. It's from Pesto, and literally the ingredient is algae, y'all. You mix it with water and put it on your skin. I don't know if you guys would be interested in this one, or you guys, how I lose that stuff like that quick? I don't know. Yeah, I have that one, and then I know I have it's over there, I think. KILL peel pads. I have a few of those, so I can test those for you if you want to. It's from the same brand as this stick. Just let me know what you want to see. And yeah, I will see you in my next video.